Do you want to create a poll on Messenger? You can make a poll in Facebook Messenger group chat with just a few simple steps. Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to create a poll on Messenger. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips videos. A poll on Messenger is a feature that allows you to create a question with multiple answer options within a group chat. Members of the group can then vote on the options, making it easy to gather opinions or make collective decisions. To create a poll in Facebook Messenger, first, open the Messenger app on your mobile device. Once you are in Messenger, open the group chat where you want to create the poll. If you don't have a group chat, create a new group. At the bottom of the chat conversation screen, you will see the message input field. Tap on the four dots menu from the left side of the message input field. Instead of this, you may also see a plus icon. A menu appears with various options. Select polls from the menu that appears. Now, a pop-up screen will appear. Enter your poll title in the What's Your Poll About field. After adding the title of the poll, you need to add options for the poll by typing them in the Add Option field. Add poll options one by one. Once you've added all your options, tap the Create Poll button to post it in the group chat. Now, all the group members can vote in your poll, and you'll be able to see the current results as people participate. By following these simple steps, you can easily create and share polls on Facebook Messenger group chat.